Find features that distinguish it from other brands for BlackSpike portable car jump starter with air compressor, 26,800 mAh portable jump starter battery pack with dual Type-C ports. Jump booster box with 3.7-inch LCD display, lights, jump cable, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because powerful jump starter. Equipped with smart jump starter 4000 amp, 26,800 mAh and reinforced smart clamps. This car jump starter with air compressor can instantly restart your 12-volt vehicles, all gas/12L diesel, supporting over 1000 plus recharge cycles and suitable for traveling anywhere. It's universally compatible with cars, trucks, motorcycles, lawnmowers, SUVs, snowmobiles, boats and more. Never anxiously wait hours for roadside assistance again. Smart INFLATOR with large LCD display. This auto battery booster pack is also a portable tire inflator with maximum pressure of 150 psi. Buy this portable air compressor. Only need 2 minutes to fully inflate a car tire, 0 to 36 psi, or 1 minute to refill car tire in daily situation, 25 to 36 psi. Testing database on a flat standard tire 185/65/R15. It can be used for car, bicycle, motorcycle, basketball, pool toys using. And 3.7-inch larger LCD display help you easily read data and monitor tire pressure status. Backup power bank. This car battery jump starter battery pack has 3 charging port Type-C quick input, QC 18 watt, Type-C output, 5 volt/3 amp, 9 volt/2 amp, 12 volt/1.5 amp, and USB output, 5 volt/2.4 amp, which satisfy fast charging demand for most devices including cell phones, tablets, and other mobile devices as a supplement in emergency situations. Emergency bright flashlight. This portable car battery booster pack is designed with ultra-bright LED light, offering 4 modes: constant light, strobe, SOS, warning. So this jump starter can provide adequate lighting and emergency distress signals, which is a lifesaver in case of outdoor travels or adventures. Comprehensive protection. This portable battery jumper starter can operate in extreme environments, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, with built-in 10 intelligent safety protections: overcharge, overcurrent, short circuit, reverse polarity, low/high temp, overvoltage, overload, reverse charge, anti-spark. The battery jumper can auto-detect connection and real-time visible alarms, bringing a safer trip. Upgrade heat dissipation. Innovative design of heat dissipation makes this jump box car battery jumper starter portable more excellent heat dissipation performance so that startup temperature is reduced by 30% to balance and its service life is promoted by 50%. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.